What's up, jamsaysyumm, and welcome to episode 3 of Co-Vids. It's a new series wherein I will be creating random videos during this COVID ECQ. And alam naman natin, if you're new here, I'm Jam. I do travel and food videos. But since hindi tayo makalabas at makapag-review ng mga videos, hindi tayo makapag-travel, makapag-review ng pagkain, tayo gagawa na lang ng mga random content during this ECQ. Alam natin na it's been 3 weeks already, almost, and it might last for another month or so, we don't know. But para maging productive at para I can keep you entertained at para may content tayo weekly, gagawa ko ng random videos for you guys. And for today's video, sobrang trending ngayon, okay? Bukod sa dalgona coffee, nagagawa ko ng video na perfect na sa next episode kasi ilang beses ako na-fail. Gagawa tayo ng trending na tuna pie. So, ang source ko nito ay galing kay TEYBOLFORWAN. TEYBOLFORWAN, thank you for the recipe. If you haven't seen her blog, it's down here. And yeah, ito try natin. Hindi ko super ginaya yung recipe niya, like in terms of quantity. Pero, I just work with what I have here. If you wanna learn how to make it, okay, very easy. Just keep on watching. Alright, pinakaunang gagawin nating phase na nagawa ko na is yung prep time. So, pinrep ko ay yung bread na tinanggal ko na yung sides. Okay, and then beaten eggs, sky flakes na binlender ko if you don't have breadcrumbs. And then, okay, syempre, dinrain ko na yung oil from this tuna. And then, nag-mince ako ng onions. And then, meron ng, since wala akong cheese na quick melt, kumuha ko ng cheese whiz kasi yun na meron ako. And kumuha ko ng mayonnaise, which is I'm using fat-free, guys. Kakapayat din. Kakapayat, mas healthy pala, char. Anyways, that's the prep. Yun lang talagang kailangan mo. Of course, the oil and the frying pan later. Doon na tayo sa second phase. Second phase is to create the filling, okay? So, paano create the filling? First, you have to have an empty bowl and just pour everything. So, you're gonna pour the tuna. Make sure talaga naka-drain na siya mga besh, diba? Pour the tuna. Huwag kang magtira, besh. Huwag kang magtira. I-pour mo yan. You're gonna pour a little bit of your minced onions. So, hindi po perfect ang aking chopping. Hindi po ako chef. Kaya, oh my gosh. Next first, mas madali po ito kaysa sa dalgona coffee. Hindi ka bibiguin. Besh. Oh my gosh, naamoy ko na yung onion. At first time ko mag-chop ng onion nang hindi ako umiyak, besh. At feeling ko napakalaki ng chunks ng onion dito, nakakaumay dyan. After that, we're gonna put a bit of mayonnaise. Okay, ewan ko, I don't put salt and pepper anymore. It's your choice if you wanna add salt and pepper, but I'm not adding it. Huwag masyado kasi magiging soggy siya kung lalagyan mo masyado madaming mayonnaise. Then mix it again. Grabe, alam mo, favorite ko yung tuna pie ng Jollibee, kaya perfect nung nakita ko tong article of recipe ni TEYBOLFORWAN. So after mixing everything, you're done with phase 2, which is the filling. Now let's proceed to phase 3, which is assembling. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna set aside everything. You get your bread. So, isa-isay natin. I'm gonna stack this here since bread din naman to. At the moment. So, ayoko madami kulusin. From here, the bread, you flatten it. Ganyan. Yusain mong ganyan. Malinis ang kamay ko, guys. Don't worry. Hindi ko lalagyan ng bacteria ang sarili kong katawan. Ayan. Parang may kagalit ka lang. Ganon. Ibuhos mo sa kanya. Ibuhos mo yung galit mo, besh. Hayop ka. Tuloko mo ako. Nakaka-relax din to, no? Mag-ganto-ganto. After that, pag na-flatten mo na, get a bit of the filling. Sobrang konti lang, guys, para hindi siya maloka. Lagay mo sa gitna. Okay. Take note, huwag masyado madami dahil mahirapan kang i-close ito or baka mag-burst. And then, you add cheese. Using cheese whiz, that's my favorite. Then you fold it halfway, ganyan. And then pagka-fold mo halfway, yung gilid, ima-mash mo. See, nag-burst siya pag madami ko kasi nilagay. So ingat kayo, guys, sa paglalagay at pagmamash. And just repeat the whole process, guys. Alright, we're done with phase 3. Now it's time to do phase 4, which is the frying. Okay, so bago ko gagawin yun, explain ko lang sa inyo kasi mamaya lilipat tayo sa kitchen para makita yung frying. So, una is this one, isusok mo siya sa egg, the beaten, and then ilalagay mo siya sa breadcrumbs and then you fry it right away. Ganun siya. So, without further ado, let's start. Let's go to the kitchen na. So, na yung ginawa natin, and then that's the egg, and then that's the breadcrumbs. Maglagay ako extra plate with, what call this? With napkin para mamaya ma-absorb niya yung oil pag na-deep fry. And then, soak it sa dandahan ng egg, and then lagay mo sa breadcrumbs. After that, okay, lagay dito. Ganyan. So, hintay lang natin mag-golden brown both sides and do that. So, ayan na. Na-prito ko na lahat. Medyo nasunod yung iba yung mga first ko. Pero natutok sa iba. Medyo okay rin. Medyo golden brown. Diba? And we're gonna taste it. Alright, after all the frying, we're back. Oh my gosh, ito na po ang ating finished product. And I'm excited to try it. Let me just show you how it looks like up close. So, the laptop's camera. Ito siya, guys. Oh. Not perfect, pero good start, guys. Good start. So, ibe-break ko lang yung itsura. Yung gitna. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm excited to try this. Tikman na natin siya. Oh my gosh. Ang sarap niya. Hindi lang siya mukhang appealing, pero grabe, rich yung cheese and the tuna. And the crispy niya, the crunchiness, I mean, and ang init, ang sarap. Satisfied. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. Very easy gawin sa bahay. So yes, I have all these ingredients. Why not share it with your family? Para ma-impress yung family, makita ko, ay, anak ko nagluluto. And be proud because it's good. It's really good, actually. It's a must try. Thank you TEYBOLFORWAN, Erin, for giving this recipe. I'm sure this is gonna help everyone who wants to learn how to actually make their own tuna pie at home, and effective kasi nagawa ko effective. Sabihin, effective sa lahat. So thank you, and hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helps you a lot. Alam mo, nag-add value sa inyo because that's what I want. And I'll see you guys on the next, on the next COVID episode, which is the final paggawa ko ng dalgona coffee. This time, perfect na. Alright, see you guys. Bye!